Hello everyone, welcome back to Trek A Day. I've always been a big fan of the Mirror Universe, whether it is in episodes or in book form. And my favorite iteration of the Star Trek Mirror Universe has always been that Enterprise Season 4 two-parter, A Mirror Darkly. So I wanted to get one Mirror Universe vessel for our collection, and I had to have the I.S.S. NX Enterprise. If I was going to get anything from the Mirror Universe, that is what I wanted to grab. And thankfully, I was finally able to obtain one. Take a look. I've always liked the NX Enterprise in general. I've always enjoyed its design, and I just think this is really cool to see this iteration, this version. With the Empire's logo and the yellow coloration.